Guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we are going to use some lettuce, apple, ginger and cucumber. Let's look if I found the ginger. Yes, it's right down in the bottom here. So we are going to make some drink, and this is going to be for people that cannot sleep and for snoring and all of that. So if you're new here, welcome, and if you're here with me all along, thank you so much for staying and watching all my videos. So I've washed all my fruits, so let's get into this video. So we don't need to peel our cucumber, so we're just going to cut it into 4. And we are going to use kiwi, the red one, just for a change. Everyone use the green and the yellow, it's very popular. So I'm going to use the red one, and of course you know that kiwi helps with sleeping. So if you're out there shopping, please look for the red kiwi. They are sweet as, see? Look how beautiful this is. So we're just gonna add 2 kiwis, and I know the kiwi is gonna change the color of the first batch of juice, because red and green always give you a brownish color. Very nice, yeah, so juicy. And of course we're gonna add some apples for the sweetener. We don't need to really cut up the ginger, but I'll cut it up. And of course, I wonder if I should just let's put some of this over here. I think I'm gonna cut the lettuce. Yep, I use the big knife. I'm gonna cut this into just 4. It could go in the juice just like this one. Let's cut it into 4 and let's start our juicing. Yeah, we're set up our area, so we're going to start by putting all our ingredients in the juicer, and of course we are using the Kiwi Auto 10 today. So here I load up the juicer. We've put kiwi, cucumber, lettuce, and we're gonna start our juicing. A juice blend of lettuce, apple, ginger, kiwi is often touted as a natural remedy for insomnia due to its sedative, calming and sleeping promoting compound found in these ingredients. So now look at everything going in the mixing bowl. Slowly but surely we are having some juice, and I tell you before that the juice was going to look a little bit brown the first batch because of the red kiwi mixed with the green ingredients such as the lettuce. And the ginger will help with digestive problem, and the lettuce has a calming thing to add to this juice along with the kiwi. Do you ever hear they say when you go to your bed, if you eat 1 kiwi it helps you to sleep? Well, this mixture with the kiwi, lettuce, ginger, apple will let you sleep properly. Very good. You'll wake up in the morning feel so refreshed. Try this juice. So let us not look at the brown juice, because guess what, it has a lot of benefit in it. and people that are suffering sleep cannot, especially when you're getting old. Some people can't sleep in the night. 1 cup of this juice, I tell you, before bedtime will do wonders for you. I want you to come back, try this juice, and leave a comment. You can also eat these fruits, but to eat all of them, I don't know. I prefer juicing. So let's have a look at both. Look at how our lettuce has been crushed, and as you can see, we have a full bowl, mixing bowl with juice, and it's time to let out our first batch of juice. We are going to let out our first batch of juice, and we are going to put our apples in with some ginger and continue the juicing. So now we're going to pop some apples in. Let's see how much can go in there. Yep. And we're going to put a piece of ginger in. And we are going to close our lid and start our juicing. So the ginger in this juice aid with digestion, ease discomfort, relaxes your body for a better sleep. It reduces inflammation and pain, and much more. So this is such a good combination for anyone to try, or you can do your own research. So as you can see, our mixing bowl has just 1/4 of juice in it. So we're going to keep going until we have a full mixing bowl. And this week I decided that I would let you hear the sound of the juicer, how quiet and smooth it runs. Listen to that. I won't put any music there. Listen to that. Now we have a full mixing bowl, and we're going to let out our second batch of juice. So we're going to go again. This looks nice. And guys, don't be afraid to tell me if you know of a drink that you never see me make as yet. So just put it in the comment section and I'll surely make that juice for you. So we're almost gonna let out the third batch of juice, so let's get straight into it. Now we are gonna let out our third batch of juice, and I think this one is greener because the other one has the kiwi in it. The kiwi is red. So let's keep going. We have a small amount of fruit sleeve to juice, so let's keep going. Look how green and fresh this drink is, loaded with a lot of benefit for our bodies. So guys, I always say try and make some fresh juice, and if you have diabetic or any other ailment, you can add water to it, or you check with your doctor, or you do your own research, because trust me, when you make your fresh juice at home, it is better. Look how beautiful and lovely this machine is, pressing and squeezing the juice for us. Trust me, I love juicing, and I would like everybody to try and invest in a juicer so you can get to make some juice like what I'm making. So we almost have a full mixing bowl. And do you know that eating 1 apple before bed helps with improving your sleep quality? So the apple and all the rest of ingredients is one big blast. So as you can see, our mixing bowl is almost full. And you know what time it is. We have a few more pieces of lettuce being crushed and squeezed. So now we are gonna let out our fourth batch of juice. There you have it, guys. So we are gonna serve our drink. So we're gonna go straight into that. So now we're gonna serve our drink. Let's see how straight my hand is. Here you have it, guys. Let me pop the straws in. Like, share, and comment. Everything is gonna be green this week. Green decoration. That is it. So like, share, and comment. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye.